Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make a histogram in Python using matplotlib. So first we are going to import a package matplotlib.pyplot. Pyplot is basically it's a sub package, and then we are using a name conversion plt. So if you want to make a histogram, so how you can do it, just use a uh, you can use the plt.hist. Hist is the function name. Then if you want to create the histogram of life expenses, just use the variable name and then use the show method to display the histogram. Now click on run, and here we go, we have successfully make a histogram in Python using matplotlib. In the next exercises we will learn how we can give the values, number of bins and other things. So keep watching. Thank you.